Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change Instagram password if forgotten old password. So first of all, we need to do is to have Instagram downloaded on our device. Click on Instagram over here, and then of course click over here on our profile in the lower right corner of the screen. On profile page, click on three horizontal lines at top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings. Then we need to log out of this account. Always remember your username over here. Click on log out this account, and that will actually do what that will do is actually log out that account. And then what we should to log in that again is of course click on that account, and here it is. But of course you want to change the password if because we forget the password. So over here click on login and create new account. Then click on forget password. Now over here, since you have two options, since you forget your old password, you can add your phone number that is actually linked to that account, or either your username of course, or your email to actually locate that old account. So once you have done that, click on next once more, and then it's going to actually send you a verification code through your email or either through your phone number. And by that all you need to do once you have done that steps of course is to add the verification code over here on Instagram. And then you need to do after that is add a new password, because since Instagram has already verified that you are the right person or you are actually one who is trying to log in, then it will permit you to change your password without actually putting your old password in your account. So this was the process by which you can change Instagram password if forgotten old password. If you find this video helpful, please like, share.